My name's Jeff Lundgren. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I've been with LifeVenture since 2010. I was introduced to LifeVenture through my uncle. It was one of those phone calls that I was not interested. No, I don't want to hear anything about it. And the product intrigued me enough that I had to look, and went to a presentation, got some more information, and enrolled as a distributor, not thinking that I would do anything more than just share it with a couple of people. Before LifeVenture, I was very interested in me. What's in it for me? What do I have to do? It's my bills, my debt, my pain. What LifeVenture did for me was to help teach me how to listen. When somebody would tell me their story, what was it about their experience that I could connect with? Where in their life are they having some experience, and how can I connect with them? You just don't experience that, and you're not taught that in traditional business typically, and that changed me. Once you've experienced that, you can't do anything different. It will change you. And it changes people for the better. The LifeVenture culture, to me, it embodies this concept of family. It's more than just a transaction, it's more than just a sale, but it's a relationship. If you have a traditional job, right, you have to report. You got to punch the clock. I can't do that anymore. There's a freedom that comes with an opportunity like this. It allows me to hike when I want, or go camp when I want, to do the things. I love the outdoors. I love the beauty of the outdoors. In college, I got a job opportunity as a software developer. I left school. I never had a degree. LifeVenture provided me the opportunity to go back and do that again. A few years ago, I went back to school, got a degree, and now I'm in a master's program. And I think that's what LifeVenture does. LifeVenture will give people the choices to do things that they wouldn't do. When I first heard about the My LifeVenture program, I was really excited. I thought that's different. I wanted to be a part of it. I loved seeing the company hand out all of those Jeeps when they first announced it. And I thought, I want to be there, right? I actually chose the $25,000 in cash because that fits where I'm at in my life a little bit better right now. What am I going to use that for? I've invested a lot into my LifeVenture business, a lot of travel, a lot of things like that. So I want to kind of put some of those resources together and see if I can continue to grow the business as well. One of the things that LifeVenture has allowed for me to do is to travel much more than I would have done on my own. And I've met some amazing people and seen some amazing things that you just don't see. The connection that you experience in other markets and other countries is a beautiful thing. I will forever be grateful for LifeVenture for the opportunity to experience that. My goals aren't to stop where I'm at, right? I want to continue to grow my business, to continue to participate, and I will do that because I think it's not just about the money. It's truly about trying to further those opportunities and connections and learn and grow through the friendships and the family that we have here at LifeVenture.